Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's talk about the issue at hand. If your screen is cracked, it can make using your ThinkPad X1 quite frustrating. This occurs due to impact or pressure on the screen, which can damage the display panel. If not repaired promptly, it can lead to further issues, such as display malfunctions or even complete screen failure. For this repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a new screen compatible with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1, and some tweezers. Before you begin, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, start by flipping it over and removing the screws on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force as this can damage the casing. With the back cover off, locate the screen cable connected to the motherboard. This is typically a flat ribbon cable that you will need to disconnect. Gently pull on the connector. If it feels too tight, wiggle it gently to release it without damaging the cable. Now, focus on the screen itself. You will need to remove the screws holding the screen in place, which are usually located around the edges. Remember to keep track of which screws go where, as they may differ in size. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the screen from its frame. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now that the old screen is out, take your new screen and align it in the frame. Secure it by replacing the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it fits snugly. Once everything is back in place, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Lastly, power on your device to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a protective case or a screen protector. Regularly check your device for any signs of wear and tear, and handle it with care to avoid accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.